Assalamu alaikum and welcome to English tutorial video. I hope you all are wearing mask when you go out and avoiding going out more frequently and staying at home to be safe from the coronavirus. So let us start our lesson. Today we are going to learn the sound of double O, O. We have two sounds of O, long, U, and short, O. Let us start with the long sound of O. Z, U, zoo, M, U, N, moon, F, U, D, food. Then short sound. B, O, K, book. H, O, D, hood. K, O, K, cook. W, O, D, wood. Now you have learned how to pronounce these. I want you to go to worksheet number 1 and sharpen your pencil. Write down within the lines. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Stay safe.